Hello, what's up? Did you miss me? I know you did, and that's why I'm back. So, for today's video, I thought of learning Morse code. Morse code is something really cool in my head, and actually, it is really cool. Imagine just communicating with dot and dash. Without doing any further, I think we should jump into the video. First of all, what is Morse code? Morse code is basically a language because you can communicate with it. It's a combination of dash and dots, and basically that's it. If you're wondering why it's called Morse code, let me tell you, it's actually named after the inventor Samuel Morse, and there's nothing more you can know about Morse code other than whatever I have said. It's a spy language. I wanted to learn Morse code like 2 years ago already, when the lockdown phase was there, but I tried, and I actually learned how to type help. How to say help in Morse code, because I thought that someday I will get kidnapped and someone will be smart enough to decode my Morse code. That was really stupid of me, but at least I learned something. But then in 2022, I realized that okay, now this language will be a bit more useful. I'm not going to tell you the reason why, but yeah, it's actually going to be a bit useful for me, so I'm gonna learn it. Stranger Things was my biggest inspiration for this, I guess. Yeah, because I just love that show and I love everything about it. So I was like, wow, Morse code is super cool and I want to learn it too. It's like I just got this super, motivation to learn it again. And I thought, yeah, let's film my progress. Let's see if I can do it or not. So there are many methods which you can try, like the visualization of Morse code and many other things, but they are not really convenient for me. That's why after a really big search, I found a video which helped me a lot. I saw this on a website too, and let me tell you what this method is. So this method is called the vowels and the consonant method, and trust me, it's super duper easy. The only thing is there's a slight changes in the vowels. Like the vowels we know are A, E, I, O, U. But for this technique, you need to include M, N, R, S, W in the vowel section too. Because yeah, you just need to do it, okay? Just for the whole technique to work, you need to do it. And all the consonants, of course the rest alphabets, except for M, N, R, S, W, because they are vowels according to this technique. Vowels are going to be dots and consonants are going to be dashes. Simple as that. Just like A for apple, here we take A for at, in which A stands for the dot and T stands for the dash. That's how you write A in Morse code. So it's not that important to actually use the same dictionary as I'm using, and I haven't created it. I actually found it in a video and it's the most easy one for me, and I am not creative enough to edit it, so I'm just going to use that only. But you can of course create your own, dictionary. Here A is for at, so dot and dash, but you can also create AB, because dot and dash, B is always going to be dash, so you can just create your own dictionary too. But I guess it's more convenient for me to follow this one because I can't put so much efforts and make my own words. But if you want to do that, go for it. Now all I have to do is memorize the words. Instead of memorizing the code, I need to memorize these words, and it's pretty simple. I've already memorized some of them, except for this J, which is pretty weird. Why would anyone use I cannot even pronounce this shit. So let's see how good we are at remembering the Morse code we have learned already. So I'm going to try it by writing something in Morse code. So for the first, I think we're going to write pasta, because pasta is love. Okay, I'm remembering how to write P. I know it. P will be dot dash dash dot, and I'm gonna give lines after every letter so it doesn't look really confusing, although this isn't allowed, but yeah, okay. Then A is really simple, dash dot PAS, S sun, yeah, S dot dot dot, PAS, T is dash, A is dot dash, pasta.
This is how you write pasta in Morse code.
Very informational. And by the way, do you remember the intro of this video? The screen with Morse code that actually said idiot in Morse code. That's what you are.